Welcome back. Today we will learn about the fourth topic of geography, weather and climate. This will be the first part of the chapter. Before I start with the explanation, let me give you an example. There were three sisters, Grace, Faith, and Hope. In June, before the reopening of the school, they went to three different places. Grace went to Kochi in Kerala. Faith went to Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh and Hope went to Mussoorie in Uttarakhand. Next day, Grace called her other sisters before lunch and she realized that Faith, who was in Bhopal, was experiencing hot and sunny weather, and Hope in Mussoorie had cold weather. Grace was experiencing cloudy weather. This means they are experiencing different atmospheric conditions, or in other words, different weathers at the same time of the day. How is this so? India is situated above the equator. So now let us see the location of the three places as per this. Mussoorie is away from equator and hence it receives less solar heat, means the weather is cold, whereas Bhopal receives more solar heat and so the weather was hot and sunny then. Hence, the wet clothes will dry faster in Bhopal than Mussoorie. Now, Kochi is more closer to equator, but wet clothes kept here take longer time to dry. Why is this so? It is because rainy season is about to start and hence there is more moisture in the air and winds have got rain clouds with them. So there is less of solar heat. Now, this concludes that the factors like heat, moisture, and wind affect the weather, and hence, accordingly, clothes take more or less time to dry. So, what is weather? Let me give you an example for this. Nowadays, in the morning, we feel cold. Then, in the afternoon, it is hot. And sometimes in the evening, clouds gather in the sky. These atmospheric conditions might be a little different to each one of us, and these conditions might be different every day. So, that means these atmospheric conditions do not remain the same for a longer time. Hence, these atmospheric conditions which do not remain for longer time are called as weather. So, sometimes in the morning, when we step out of our houses, we exclaim, "What a pleasant weather!" That's all for now. I hope this helps you clear the concepts. Take care and God bless.